Holy crap. It's Jeff the maintenance man, guys. What's going on? I don't drop my phone again. I've been doing that all day. We got an AC not working. Why I have to keep coming up to this roof, I don't know. But it's... And these are not old units. Not old units at all. She sure as hell ain't working. No compressor. Awesome. Aha. Aha. Way. I didn't bring any tools. I just want to look right now. Probably be back up here. Well, there's a problem. Looks pretty handy dandy. The blower motor's not working. Aha! We got us a belt. Maybe a belt issue. There we go. Hear the cracking and snapping. And let me go get my tools. And damn, I wish I could just take this so when I go down there to get the tools, I can see what I got. These ain't gonna work. I didn't bring my 6 and my 11 and 1. Doggone it. I try not to carry too many tools on me at one particular time because they start eating holes in your pocket. And again, I explained about the tool belt. It scratches resonance when they go down the hallway, you know. And look at that sucker. Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh yeah. Either it's a fan belt or this one's got an ECM in it. It better not have an ECM in it. I've never opened this one before. This is the first problem we've ever had with this unit. So we're gonna open this puppy right here. And usually you know it's a blower motor because fingers go flying and stuff like that. So we're gonna have to let it thaw out anyway. So I'm probably just gonna keep it off tonight. I mean, nobody's gonna be in that dining room. And then tomorrow I'll come back up here because there's no point when it's that froze. I don't know if you guys can see that. The accumulator's totally frozen. You gotta go downstairs and get some more filters for this little guy, but I can't even get them off right now because there's some ice there. So what are we going to be looking at here? 20. What are these? 1 inch? They're supposed to have 2-inch filters in them. What the hell? They drop down there? Hello, I am your father. Oh, freak them out. Oh, freak them out. They can hear that shit too. That's funny. Anyway, it froze up like solid brick. So what I'm gonna do is just leave the cover off of it. It's gonna have to thaw out. I could probably try to put it in heat mode and maybe it'll thaw it out quicker, but then you're gonna get leaks all down the this pan will overflow sometimes and it'll go down the return and you'll get leaks, and I don't feel like patching walls right now. We got blue team here already, trust me. This thing's, I knew it was froze up as soon as I came up here. Saw that puddle of water over there. Let me go get my tools. We'll be back. One moment. And we're back. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Ouch. And reach. And up. And over. Whew. Tell you what. Reposition my keys, man. There you go. Ooh. Well, tomorrow's Friday, guys. It is currently Thursday. If you're watching this, better fix it now than tomorrow. If the thing don't work, nope. Adjustable wrenches are probably not the best thing to do, but enough to break them loose anyway. Let's see. Get this belt off of there. It's the only belt I got until a couple days when the new one comes in. I already set it on the office and already put in a request that I need to order it. So yeah guys, I don't do much. I'm not an HVAC technician, and for some reason everything around here has to be called in to another company that does it. So not much of like big work jobs where, you know, check head pressure, blah 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 blah, maybe contacts, capacitors, belts, stuff like this. I know you HVAC guys hate us because we rig stuff, and this is probably one of those situations like, yeah, well, you didn't have the right belt. Well, when the right belt comes in, I'll come back up here and I'll put it back on. But maybe, hopefully I'll film that and show you guys that I actually do that. I mean, just don't say that and cut off the video. So alright, gotta figure out. Oh dear, oh my god, it might be all the way down. It needs to be slid up. Maybe not. There's something in the back holding it. Yeah, I can't believe that. Wow. Thanks, carrier. Holy crap. There's a screw, there's a nut in the back. Look at all this crap. Look how organized I am, guys. No, fuck. 3/8. No. 11mm. Wow, okay, that'll work. There's a nut back there, guys. Right there. Yeah, it fits on there quite nicely. Let's see what we can do. Yeah. It's like working on a car. Hopefully this just is a loosen. Yeah, I feel a slider. Okay. So you just loosen this bolt here. And this thing should slide down. The whole motor should slide down here. Oh, thank you, carrier. So screwed to open an inch wrench, right? Got a socket, right? Dummy. There we go. Alright, now I slide that down. Oh man. Ouch. Come on. Probably why you turn the power off it. Nah, that's not gonna work. Hold on. My little mini-me crowbar. It's worked before in the past. Helps keep tension on this motor. This works too. Hey guys, if you're an AC technician, you know a trick to taut this up a bit. I mean, it's tighter than it was. I know it'll work for a couple days, but I don't want to look stupid. Good Lord, that was loud. I'll take that later. Kind of busy right now, Timmy. There we go. That's what I wanted. Yeah. Yeah, okay. So we'll do that. Leave that there. So my... Shoot! Screwing myself up, man. Alright, there we go. Not so much this time. Not so much to the angle. There we go. Ah, come on, get off of there. I think I got it on there though. No, I don't. Shit. Ah! This is frustrating. And of course, when you're really busy, somebody calls you, right? But when I'm busy, what? I'm busy. What's that? Shit. I want to dunk it. It's a little too loose, but I think that's still too loose. But what I'm gonna do, I really need 2 people for this. My whole goal is just to get it running for tonight until 11. I'll come up here. Ugh. Something's slamming over there. Security locked me out. Security will close the damn roof hatches. I'll be stuck up here. My luck, my battery will go dead on my radio and my phone, and I won't have a way to get to anybody. I don't know. That's still loose, but better than a goose. There we go. No. I almost forgot. There's that one on the back here. I'm hand tightening it, guys. I'm sorry, I can't. It's kind of uncomfortable for me to put my head over there. Next time, I ain't messing around with this. It's ratchet time. Bringing out the whole ratchet set, which is right there in the shop. I don't know why I brought my little thing, but dang moment. Yeah, it's kind of hard to get it off of that thing there, so I think it'll be all right for a couple days. There's a 5-minute delay on this thing because nobody's reprogrammed it for otherwise, so it'll be all right. It'll be all right. I could just leave it in refrigerated mode, but man, that ice has got to melt. The accumulator's melted. Well, the pipe's going to it has, but I mean look at all the water now. Got a lot more water. Yep. Another pain in the butt. And it looks like the dang pulley's gonna come off. It still has this keyway in there. It doesn't look like it's snapped off or anything, so. So it's a 5-minute wait from here, guys, so we'll be back when this thing's turning. We'll see what's going on with it. Hey guys, alright, she fired up. Wobbly. Again, not the right belt, but it's gonna get them by till we get the right belt. I don't think that's gonna hurt anything at the moment. When I have a helping hand here tomorrow, I'm by myself right now, and I do what I do to make it work, but I need a helping hand to hold that motor down or hold the screwdriver while I pry on it to get it to go back a little bit. I've seen tricks where you can put like a C-clamp in the middle and you can like spread the C-clamp out, but this is just a couple days, man. I mean, I don't want any bearings or anything to go out in a couple days. I don't think they will. It's not vibrating or anything. Just let it go like that for, shoot, I'll have the belt here probably tomorrow. Well, you probably have to go through the weekend like this, to tell you the truth. And I'll have the belt here Monday. Oh well. It is what it is, because this is the dining room, so it is what it is. We'll real carefully put this back on there like this. Line it up. Come on, line up. This one doesn't want to line up. Alright. So it wants to fight me. Fight back. That's how you gotta do it. And I put my other screw over there. Oops. Screw up. Just gonna go home. Shoot. Come on. Come on, my God. There we go. Where the heck did I put that other screw? Tired. Seems like everybody gets to go home but me lately. Not that I'm bitching. I'm turning it back off because there's no reason to having it on. With the ice. There we go. So, sayonara, my guy. It's just gonna freeze up again anyway, so. And actually, it's thawing out the accumulator and everything, so. I don't know. So. I'm probably gonna have to leave it off. And I let my boss know, email, text, whatnot. Somebody needs to come up here and turn on the unit. And it's fixed for now, but and order that belt. Almost nighttime. Whew. There's my baby. That's my baby. How you doing? Alright guys, you can stick a fork in me, I'm done going down the hole. It's Jeff the Maintenance Man. Y'all have a great day and stay safe. Alright guys, it is Monday as promised. I told you I'd go back and put the proper belt on it when it came in, and there it is. Put this around my neck here. Make it easier to carry all this stuff up here. Pittsburgh Harbor Freight? No. Actually their tools are not that bad. The tools now. I don't know about their mechanical stuff, if they got any mechanical stuff. That's why I hate these ladder. Get some light in here. Ooh, shit. It's a hot one. Probably the hottest day of the year today, probably. I don't know. It is July. Happy Monday. Alright, here we go. A little slower than the last time. Whew. Don't tell me it's raining. I just felt something wet. Alright. I have to tick some people off for a couple minutes, but they probably won't even notice. So. Alright. First thing first, I'm a craftsman. Alright, here we go. Alright. There she is. Come on. That's pretty dang close, though. It's a little bit bigger, so might not even need my tools. Yeah, if it doesn't break off the side of that right there. Yeah, it's too tight. Oh well. Thought I could get lucky. That's what us guys do, right? I was trying to see if we can get lucky. Freaking, that's not a half inch. That's 7/16. It was 11 millimeter, but figured it was metric or SAE. Come on, what the fuck? Be honest with you, I should, you know, if I didn't want to get my hands dirty, I could wear gloves, right? Let's see if we can do something here. Good old trick I do. Nope, that's not gonna work either. Gotta get that sucker in the back. Put it at. This motor is cold. Nice and cold. There we go. Just leave my socket there. Well, no, that's probably not a good idea. Maybe hold the socket. I don't want to drop that down there. I'll never get the damn thing back. Why won't that thing slide? I mean, what the heck? I'm loosen that nut. La 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 la. What would Steve say right now? Loose as a goose, mama. God damn. Now when that snaps, it's gonna take my hand in it. Holy crap. Why won't this damn motor slide back up this way? There, that's how you do it, right? Dude. All the bolts are loose. What the heck? I'm not getting this, man. No! You little fucker. There we go. I about screwed up the damn new belt getting it on there. Just tighten it back up, turn them back on, so they don't even realize it. It's a hot day today, guys. See what happens. Of course, there's going to be a 5-minute delay. So as always, I'll be back in 5 minutes. But in the meantime, we're going to change these filters. What in the fucking hell? How are you supposed to get these in here? I want to get off this roof, guys. There we go. Filters are done. This ain't gonna go back on there now. Oh, it did. Yeah, that's not rain, that's sweat. Gosh darn it. Tell the truth, this damn thing might not even be calling. It's spinning. That it is. Looking good. Another successful repair by Jeff the Maintenance Man. Y'all have a great day and stay safe.